members of the Executive Council of Benue State, senior police officers who are here present, heads of law enforcement security agencies here present in Benue, members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, I want to start by first thanking you for receiving me so elaborately at the shortest notice given to you. I am in Benue State today to commiserate with you on the sad incident of the tragic attack on Yelewata community in Benue State. And so also assure you of not only our commitment to pursue these criminal elements and bring them to justice, but to also assure you that we are committed to bringing lasting peace to Benue State. On behalf of the Nigerian Police Force, I extend our deepest condolences to Your Excellency, your government and people of Benue State, the bereaved families, and all citizens who have been affected by this attack. I'm sure, Your Excellency, you have spoken with Mr. President on this incident. You have known how saddened Mr. President was on hearing the news of a fresh attack on another vulnerable community in Benue State, and his commitment to ensure that this reign of impunity by criminal gangs and terror elements end in our country. Your Excellency, these mindless acts of terror are not just attacks on Benue State. They are attacks on the sovereignty and integrity of our nation. An attack on any community in Nigeria is an attack on the entire nation. Your Excellency, I want to assure you that the Nigerian Police Force will stand with you and the good people of Benue State. We are going to continue to work tirelessly with you and in close synergy with other security agencies to ensure that peace, lasting peace, return to Benue State. We are aware of the vast terrain of Benue State and the security challenges it presents. We might not be able to cover every inch of the space, but we are going to deploy adequately to ensure the protection of lives and property in Benue State. Your Excellency, these criminal elements and bandits might have operated with impunity in the past, but the day is fast approaching when they will come to attack and will never return. And I can assure you, Excellency, we are committed to continue to protect lives and property in your state. We will support you with every of our resources. We will work with you. We will work with the people. We will synergize with all security agencies to ensure that we defeat this evil. Thank you, Excellency.
People of Benue State, I heartily welcome the Inspector General, who has responded very promptly to visit us and commiserate with us the carnage that took place over the weekend. Again, it was a senseless one. There was no cause for such bloodbath. But it happened We express a sincere gratitude to you and the entire service for before now even responding to us appropriately on all the requisitions in support of our fight against insurgencies in the state. Each time we made a request, promptly approved, and enormously it supported our fight in the state. I know, as you have expressed even on the phone call, the very day this carnage took place, you called to condole with us and to assure us of your support and your team. And today you're here yourself, just within days, and after this you're going to see for yourself where the incident occurred. Thank you for standing up for us and assuring us of your continued support. We are bleeding. We are in sorrow. I believe your visit is going to uplift our spirits and build within us formidable assurance of the fact that we are not alone and you continue to be there for us and to support and to do this journey together with us. I'm very grateful that your team here has been working to give this support to us. We have a context to this narrative of ours. It's an age-long context where the attacks and infestations of these terrorist acts had persisted for quite some time. From the number of 17 local governments that were in the front lines of attacks, as we came in, we trained it down with very ardent efforts to 9 local governments and then to 6 local governments. And unfortunately for us, there became an upsurge. So we've not rested in the last 2 months. The people you deployed and the various units you deployed, the different squads you've set down here have been quite supportive. We acknowledge this and we thank you. Again, I'm confident that once our victims feel your presence, it's going to rekindle more hope in them as well. We would continue in collaboration with you and the entire federal government, whose support to us has been quite strong. We are very hopeful that with all hands on deck,